Good day, everyone. So, welcome to another episode of our topic for quarter four, which is all about physical education. So, for physical education, we will be talking about cheer dance. So, I think you already have an idea what cheer dance is. So, to proceed with our topic, let us watch this video first.
Let's hear it for the East Compton Clovers.
Okay, guys, let's go out there and do our best. Nothing hits the floor. We stick it. Hands in.
Trust on three. One, two, three.
Welcome the five-time national champions from San Diego, California, the Rancho Carne Toros.
Let's go!
Okay, I have here questions after watching the video. So, first question, what can you say about the video? Okay, very good. So the video shows about cheer dance. Next question, what do you think cheer dance is all about? Okay, so mag-cheer sa mga sports nato like during intramurals or kung naatay gicheeran nga mga like mga basketball kanang liga diha sa atong mga barangay. So pwede ta magpa-cheer dance diha. Okay. Next question. What have you observed with the dance steps? Their body build and their posture. So inyong nabantayan sa ilahang mga dance steps, the same ba sa kanang mga dance steps nga atong pagabuhaton sa TikTok? Ang mga built sa mga dancer, unsa yung na-observe? Okay. How about their posture during doing the cheer dancing? Okay, thank you so much for your answer. To start with, let us have the definition of cheer dance. So what is cheer dance? So cheer dance coined from the term cheer and dance. So gikan ni siya sa words nga cheer and dance. To cheer is to shout out words or phrases that may help motivate and boost the morale of a playing team and perform better during a game. So i-cheer nato sila, ato silang murag hatagan o kanang kusog or pa-boost nato ilang moral para ma-confident sila during a game. Next is dance. It is a physical activity where one expresses emotions or gestures while performing bodily movements, usually in time with the rhythm. So no need to explain what dance is because you already know that. Okay, next we have cheerleading. So cheerleading is the performance of a routine usually dominated by gymnastic skills such as jumps, tumbling skills, lifts, and tosses, combined with shouting of cheers and yells to lead the crowd to cheer for a certain team during a game or sport. Just like what we watched earlier, so that is an example of cheerleading also. It originated in the United States. So cheerleading nagsugod ni siya sa United States. Due to Filipinos' love for dancing, they added more dance routines to their cheers and came up with the term cheer dance. So dito din na sa Pilipinas si cheer dance. In the United States, that is cheerleading. So in the Philippines, we came up with the term cheer dance, wherein it is a routine composed of yells and cheers. Okay. Gymnastic skills such as pyramids, tosses, stunts, tumbling skills, arm and hand positions, and jumps. And dance, which is a fusion of different dance genres. So remember in cheer dance, na siya yells and cheers, gymnastic skills, and dance. So kanang upat na ana sa cheer dance. Today, cheerleading is identified as one of the most spectacular events in one of the biggest collegiate sports event in the country, the UAAP or the United Athletic Association of the Philippines. Okay, so we are now on the main event of our topic about cheer dance, which is all about the cheer dance basics. So make sure nga tan-awon gyud ninyo hangtod sa katapusan kay mauni ang inyong performance task sa atoang PE. Okay. This is on the cheer side. Cheering is the very essence of cheer dance performance. To cheer is to make someone or a team motivated and encouraged. So that is the purpose of cheering. Para ang ilang team ma-motivate o ma-encourage to do their best It boosts, salutes, or acclaims the morale of individuals and teams. In cheer dance, cheering needs to be strong, loud, and metered so that it will be delivered in time with the rhythm or the music played. Hand movements and positions in cheer dance. The beginning stance. Feet together, hands down by the sides in blades. So tanawa sa beginning stance, that is pinaka-simple nga basic cheer dance stance. Okay? So you can follow while ako ani siyang ipang-discuss tagsa-tagsa kay ubay-ubay ra ba ni sila. The cheer stance. Feet more than shoulder width apart, hands down by the side in blades. When we say blades, day class, mag-ingon ani ang kamot ha, kini. Ana, muna siya blades. Okay? Ana, so na siya sa upos. Hands down by the side in blades. Dili mag-kumo. Okay? So we have the clasp. Okay. Hands clasped at the chin, elbows in. Okay. Next, we have the clap. Hands in blades at the chin, elbows in. The high V. Okay, from the name itself, the high V, arms are extended up, forming letter V, and relax the shoulders. The low V. Arms extended down, forming a V. Okay, mura siyang inverted nga V, si low V. The touchdown. Nanay touchdown nga naka-isa, no? Okay. Arms extended straight and parallel to each other, fist facing in. So naka-fist, gihapon ang kamot. Okay? Next, we have the low touchdown. Okay. Arms extended straight down and parallel to each other, fist facing in. So the same with touchdown, but low siya na siya sa ubos ang atoang duha ka fist nga nag-parallel. The side lounge. Lead leg bent with the knee over the ankle, back leg straight, feet perpendicular to each other. When you say perpendicular, mura siya og nag-L. Next, we have the front lunge. Lead leg bent with the knee over the ankle, back leg straight, feet perpendicular to each other. So, ganiha, mula to siya nagtakilid karon nag-atubang na nga lunge. Okay? Next, we have the bow and arrow. One arm extended to side with other arm bent at elbow in a half T motion. Okay. So, naka-fist ang kamot, ang usa, nakapiko, ang usa straight. Next, we have the overhead clasp. When we say clasp, kanang nag-ana ang kamot ha. Okay. Arms are straight above the head in a clasp and slightly in front of the face. We also have the tabletop. Arms bent at elbow, fists in front of shoulders. Very easy. Next, we have the low clasp. Arms extended straight down in a clasp and slightly in front of the body. Nag-clasp gihapon ng kamot, nya nala siya sa ubos, so low clasp. Next, we have the punch. Okay. One arm extended straight up, one arm on hip in a fist. So both arms are in a fist. Ang usa nag-ana dito, ang usa naninhawak. Okay, so munang punch. Next, we have the L motion. One arm extended to the side with the other arm extended in a punch motion. Both fist gyapon are in a punch but forming letter L. Next, we have diagonal. One arm extended in a high V and the other arm extended in a low V, forming a diagonal nga line. So, si diagonal patakilid para inana. Okay. Next, we have the T motion. Both arms extended straight out to the side and parallel to the ground. Relax the shoulders. Again, take note, ang kamot sa T motion naka-fist. Okay? Next, we have the half T. Both arms parallel to the ground and bent at the elbows. Fists into shoulders. So, ganiha ang T motion nga nag-ana atong kamot, naka-extend, karon atuan ng gibent in front. Okay. So, I think that's all sa ato ang mga basic nga mga chair dance stance or arm positions. Let us now have this question. What benefit do we get from doing chair dance? Okay. Sige, isip-isip. What's the benefit nga makuha nato in doing chair dance? Nagita benefit ani no? Okay, first we have the cardiovascular endurance. Okay, makusgan ato ang heart and lungs because sa sige nato og practice, sa sige nato og lihok sa atong lawas ani, ma-exercise ato ang heart and lungs. Next, we have strength building. Okay, mabuild ang atoang strength or makusgan ta. Next, we have flexibility. Ma-flexible atong lawas, of course. Sige na to og lihok-lihok, practice. Okay. Balance and coordination, which is very important. Team building. Uy, na-appeal si team building sa benefit. Nganong maka-team building man ta? Okay. Through practicing, magsabot-sabot sa atuang mga kauban, so maka-create yun ta og team building. Next, we have leadership. Okay? So, ma-practice po kung kinsa may mokoryo or muda sa grupo sa iyang leadership skills. So, ma-practice. And confidence. Okay, kanang dili na ka mauwaw mo atubang sa ubang tao. So, those are the benefits of chair dancing. Okay. So, let us now have the performance task in PE Quarter 4. Why daghang langay? Sige, unsa man ni mag-unsa man mo. Okay, dara. So, same group with your theater performance. Okay, so tulo ra gyapon ka grupo kada section. Take note, mga leaders. Each member will take a video of each basic hand movements and position in chair dancing. Put captions and improvise your video. So, no need na mo magkita-kita ani ha. Send na mo video sa inyong leader or kung si kinsay naka-assign sa mo edit sa video. So, anaon ra. Okay? I-edit na lang dayon, isumpay-sumpay. Ana ra. No need na magkita-kita. Okay? Use an app to merge all the videos and make it creative. Put captions para makahibaw ko kung unsa kunuhay na ang inyuhang basic stance nga gibuhat. Okay? Upload your output on or before April 29, 2024. That will be on Monday. So, taas-taas pa mo og oras to do that. So, again, Lunes, alas 5 gihapon sa hapon ko to. So, what are the scoring criteria? Dara. So, the execution of basic steps, posture, and gesture. So, gikan sa facial expression hangtod sa inyong pagposition sa inyong lawas, that is 60 points. Timeliness, meaning nakasubmit on time, wala nalapas sa alas 5 sa April 29, 10 points. Outfit or the attire ninyo sa video, lain sa kay magpajama mo niya, naka-cheer dance stance. So, kinahanglan, magkuhan dyan mo, itawag ani, naka-cheer dance outfit mo ron, magsabot-sabot mo, naka-PE. Na, pwede na. So, 10 points. And the quality of the output, meaning nindot siya pagka-edit, nindot siya tanaw, nindot ang caption, klaro kaayo ang mga dagway ninyo, inyong mga poses, ang mga steps. Okay, 20 points. For a total of 100 points. Okay. So, I think that would be all for this week's topic. Again, about the basic cheer dance stance. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.